Every trans person I know moves through this city like a storm is always about to break. Choosing routes felt by risk, not convenience, reading the metro car before sitting down, feeling the weight of every stare, carrying the exhaustion of proving themselves over and over, navigating a healthcare system that treats our bodies like paperwork, navigating a province that prefers the idea of progress over its practice, navigating a country that pretends it's safe while watching us bleed. People love to say Canada is welcoming, as if kindness were policy, as if racism didn't govern who gets care, as if policing didn't shape our lives, as if borders didn't decide whose gender is valid, as if Black trans people weren't fighting to breathe in every institution built on our disposability, as if Indigenous trans and Two-Spirit people weren't surviving the afterlives of genocide every single day. Nothing about the air we breathe here is neutral. Nothing accidental about this grief.